I'm thinking of purchasing a house, but now what do I do? The first step to purchasing a home is getting pre approved for a loan. What is pre approval? Pre approval is where you connect with a loan officer that you think you'd like to work with, and you're going to collect some information and tell them all about you. Where do you live? Where do you work? How much money do you make at that job, and just some basic information about your credit history. The lender will then pull your credit and get some income documents from you just to verify all the information. So you'll send them typically pay stubs, W 2s, and tax returns. At that point, the lender will pull all of your information together and be able to say, this is exactly what you're pre approved for. You can go out and buy a house today. From that initial time you reach out to a lender to the time that you're fully pre approved can be really as few as a couple of days, but it's important that you want to do it in advance. Let's say it's the beginning of the new year and you know that purchasing a home is in your goals. Well, I'd start getting pre approved now so you know exactly what to budget and how much you're going to need for your cash to close so that you can start saving and planning ahead of time.